everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I thought today I would pop on here and do a quick video because I have a little bit of a summer haul for you. I am leaving for vacation tomorrow, and this is like our big family trip that we do every year around Canada Day, which is July 1st, which is also my mom's birthday. And I don't know if you can tell, but I have my eyelashes done. I got those done in preparation. Oh, the air conditioner. So I went shopping today because when I moved into this condo, I actually got rid of a ton, like I would say 90% of my summer clothes. Either they weren't fitting, I didn't like them anymore, or they were just really old. And when we moved, it was just entering fall, like I was going back to school. So I decided to just get rid of them so that I would have the space. And when summer came back around, I realized I had nothing to wear. So it's not a huge haul, but it is a good amount of stuff. The only thing that I didn't get were shoes. I wanted some nice sandals, but I couldn't find any, so I'm hopefully gonna get those tomorrow. But let's jump right into it. This is gonna be really quick. I had another video planned, but it didn't work out because I forgot my vlogging camera at my mom's house. I wanted to vlog getting my eyelashes done, but maybe next time. I'll start out with the place that I actually spent the most money in, which shocked me. Actually, American Eagle, I just paid on the Aerie side. I never shop in American Eagle. It has been years, literally years. So the fact that I found not just one thing, not just two things, but like 3 or 4 or 5 things, I am pleasantly surprised. I have not walked into an American Eagle for a very long time. So let's just start out by diving in. But first, I want to say, if you like this video and you want to see more of these videos, but maybe a try-on haul, unfortunately I don't have time right now to try everything on, but give it a thumbs up, because if you do, maybe I'll do like a vacation lookbook or something. So let me know in the comment section down below. But for today, I'm just going to show you what I got. So the first thing that I picked up was the most adorable romper. And I love this blue color. It is so lightweight. It's got ruffles on the bottom. I just absolutely love this. I think that it is so cute. It looks really good on. I was shocked when I put this on. I literally was like blown away because I had no idea that it would look as good as it does. It's probably, I don't know, I think everything's my favorite, but that is definitely a top contender. The next thing that I picked up at American Eagle is I'm still iffy about. I think this actually looks good, but logistically I don't know because there's no straps. So it's just this, it's another romper, but it's got this bandeau top, and it again is very flattering. It's got the ruffle bottoms, and I think this is really nice if you're sitting outside. The reason which really like swayed me to buying it was I thought that the shorts parts were really flattering. I have a pear-shaped body, so it's difficult for me to find shorts because my waist is a lot smaller than my hips and I have thicker thighs. So shorts and jean shopping is probably like the least favorite part of shopping for me. But I ended up getting this because I just thought, you know what, this is great to like throw on to go to the beach or to lounge outside, and it's very comfortable and flattering, or going to brunch. I don't know, I really did like this. The nice thing about American Eagle is it has a great return policy. So I thought, okay, tonight I'll try it on and show Andrew and see what he says, and if maybe there's something he's like, nah, then I'll return something. So that was that. Okay, these are so cute. I got a pair of denim overalls, and oh, the other 2 items were in a medium. This is actually in a large because, again, my issue is my hips and my thighs. And I wanted this to be loose. It felt a little bit tight in the medium, so the straps are like all the way pulled up. But I got these adorable denim shorts, and I like that these aren't actually holes, that they're covered. The one thing I will say with with this because the side is so deep. Even in the medium, it was very deep. They paired it on the mannequin with a bodysuit, and I loved that. So I actually ended up buying the same bodysuit that they had on the mannequin. I don't love the bodysuit. Like, I like it on me. Well, I don't mind it on me. It's just it's not my favorite pattern. But I love these denim shorts. I think that they are so nice. And I feel like I could have them for years because I got them loose. They're just like really, you know, they're like cottage, vacation, cool, but chic. Well, maybe not chic, but cute. These were expensive. I didn't realize how expensive they were until I just looked at the tag. These, I'm not gonna tell you, I'm just gonna link everything down in the bottom because I don't wanna have buyer's remorse. I'm just gonna say that now. Here is the bodysuit that I picked up to wear with it. It was on the mannequin. It looked cute. It's just basic. I kind of wish there was a black one. They didn't have the black one, but I'm like contemplating going to American Eagle at my local mall tomorrow and seeing if they had more options because I went to the outlet mall. The next item I got from a Canadian store called Dynamite. This actually is a place that I typically never go into, but just did. And I got these, they're paper bag pants, I think that's what they're called, but they have a white stripe. Actually, they're joggers because they have the cuffed, or I don't know what you call this, bottom. Anyways, I loved these, and these looked great. They're not necessarily summery, but I feel like they're good for summer and for fall. I really, really liked these. And to go with that, I actually picked up this top from Aritzia. Aritzia is a Canadian store, but I believe it has moved its way south of the border. So I got this red kind of cropped tank because these are high-waisted, and I just felt like the red contrasted the black. It doesn't show my stomach at all because I'm not into that. Nope. So I thought that that would be really, really cute paired together, and this was in a size small. I kind of would have preferred a medium, but they only had small and large, and then the large was just too gappy. And then the pants are in a medium. Okay, this is probably my favorite. I picked this up from Forever 21, just saw it in the corner of my eye, and it is this black and white gingham dress. And it hits at such a cute spot on me, like it's right, I think, below my knee. Surprisingly, this is something I would never go for. I don't even know why I tried it on, but I just think that this is a really cute cottage dress, you know, going out for brunch or maybe going shopping in the town. I don't know. So I picked this up, and this was in a, I think this was a medium. Yeah, this is in a medium, and I actually was surprised because I could have probably sized down. It's a little bit gappy on this size, just a tad, but I didn't want to compromise in length. I thought it was a really nice length and very flattering, so I was thinking I'd just pin the sides. Okay, I went to this store called LeVeon Rose, which again is a Canadian store, and typically it's like kind of like the Canadian Victoria's Secret, and they carry swimwear and pajamas, lingerie, bras, underwear, that sort of thing. And I talked to my mom, and she said, you know what, you should go to LeVeon Rose. I said I needed a bathing suit, and she was saying that they had a great sale. So sure enough, the outlet mall that I went to had a LeVeon Rose, and I happened to pick up probably the cutest bathing suit I have ever owned in my entire life. But first, I will show you, I bought a black top. I bought a set and a top. So everything that I picked up was actually on clearance. So I picked up this black top, which is really difficult to show you because it's like all in pieces. But let's see if I can find how to do this. Okay, can I put it on? So you can kind of see, and it ties in the back. like, so, okay, it doesn't look as cute with the dress underneath, but it is really, really cute. I love it. And it was on sale for a great price. It was $19.99. And this is like a good quality bathing suit. This was originally 40 bucks. So basically half off. And it might have actually been cheaper. It might have actually been like another 20% off. But the quality is really, really nice. Very soft. And I had a LeVeon Rose bottoms that I had purchased years and years ago, and they lasted me like 4 years. They were so good. So I love this. Okay, but here's my favorite. I actually think my friend Emily has this, so Emily, if you're watching, I have the same bathing suit as you. Okay, look at this. Look at that. How cute with the ruffles, and I love the back. The back is just so simple, and I love this. The black one was in a medium, the top, and this is actually in a medium as well. This is so, so cute. I love this. Like, I am obsessed, and anyways, and I found the matching bottoms. These are a medium. These are high-waisted. So they look like huge, but they go right under my belly button. But I just look at this color. It's so nautical. It's perfect for the cottage, and I'm going to Charleston. So I feel like this is a very Charleston bikini. Yeah, so this is probably, to be honest, my favorite. And since I've been like on a working out and eating healthy, bathing suit shopping was not nearly as bad as I thought it would be. So that is it. That is my mini haul. The only thing left I need to get for my trip is a pair of like cute sandals that will match everything. I would also like to pick up one maybe activewear outfit. I know that sounds funny, but just for the sake of it, I don't know. I don't know if I have time. I have to leave tomorrow, and I still have 5 videos to film, like at least 5 videos, and to clean and do laundry and teach and do all this stuff. So yeah, so I better jump off here, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will try and find these pieces and link them down below. It might be really hard, and if I don't, I'm sorry. I will try and get to it, but thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and hit that subscribe button so that you will never miss a video. I will talk to you later and see you in another video. Bye!